Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to color correct in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch the quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the program where we can get started with editing. So as you can see, here is our editing program where we can get started with importing videos right here into the timeline, so we can either drag and drop them from our folder directly or just go to the file button, import and add media that we want to use. So as you can see, here are videos now, and now we can go ahead and drag them to the timeline right here as I have already done and get started with editing. So let's go ahead and see how to do color correcting and grading in DaVinci Resolve. Basically, first go ahead and select the video that you want to color correct for. So click on the video right here, and after doing so, you want to go to the bottom of the page right here and find the option that says color. So let's go ahead and click on color, and this is now going to open up this new menu of all the color options that we can use. So guys, as you can see, here is all the coloring options that we have, and now we can get started. So as you can see here, we have a lot of options such as color matching, color wheels that we want to use, the HDR grade, and so on. So you can go ahead and get started playing with the RGB mixer and so on, everything that you need to go ahead and get started with your color matching right here. So go ahead and follow all the color options so that you can correct any colors that you need in your video. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.